Hi guys, this is Jyotsna and welcome to my channel. So today we will be seeing les prépositions de lieu, that is the place prepositions. As you can see on my screen, the prepositions for places in French are au, en, du, de, plus, nom de pays. Usage of prepositions au, en, du, de plus name of countries. So as you can see here that the preposition en is used before feminine countries or before continents or provinces. Par exemple, en Suisse, in Switzerland, en Amérique, in America, en Bourgogne, in Burgundy, en Iran. So, the preposition or we are using before feminine countries. However, masculine countries which are starting with a vowel, for them also we are using the preposition or. For example, en Iran, en Afghanistan. So before the countries which start with a vowel, we use the preposition en. Moving on to the next preposition, we have au, au. So au is used for masculine countries. Au Japon, aux États-Unis. So before the masculine countries, we are using the preposition au, A-U-O, a. And before the cities, we use the preposition à Paris. Du and the is used to express when you are coming from a place or if you belong to a place. And o and o, this is the preposition that we use if we are going to a place. So with the verb aller, we use the preposition on, a, o, and with the verb venir, we use the preposition du, the. So the, and then the country. So before the feminine countries, we are using the preposition the Suisse, the Amérique, the Bourgogne. So before the feminine countries, continents and provinces, we use the preposition the. Before the feminine or masculine countries which begin with a vowel, in that case also we use the apostrophe. Dond, from India, Diran, from Iran. Du. Before masculine countries, we use the preposition du Japon, from Japan. And before the cities, we use the preposition the Paris, the Paris. So these are the prepositions for places. So we can see few more examples here. Je vais en Suisse. Il travaille en Amérique. Je vais au Japon. Il travaille au Danemark. Je vais au Mexique. Je vais en Afghanistan. So Afghanistan, as you can see here, is a masculine country, but we have put the preposition en because it starts with a vowel. Il travaille en Iran. Je vais aux États-Unis. Il travaille aux Antilles. Je vais à Paris. Il travaille à Delhi. So before the cities, we are using the preposition à. Je viens de France. Il est d'onde. So when you're talking, if you're coming from a place, you are saying, you are using the preposition de. Je viens de France. Il est d'onde. Je viens du Japon. Il est du Danemark. Il vient d'Afghanistan. And for countries whose names are plural, we use the preposition des. Je viens des États-Unis. Il est des Antilles. So this is about the prepositions for places in French, and that's all for today. And in case you have any comments, queries or questions, you can put it in the comment section below. So that's all for today. Au revoir. Bonne journée.